Did you know that a staggering 77% of our skin is made up of collagen? But as we age and our body's regenerative properties weaken, our collagen production slows down and existing collagen breaks down at a faster rate.
I would have to say I'm actually very nervous about the aging process. I didn't always take care of my skin in my 20s and my 30s, and so now I'm starting to see that here in my 40s.
These changes lead to the characteristic signs of aging, such as wrinkle and dry and sagging skin.
My concerns about aging is the wrinkles. I've been thinking about this dare to age. Yeah, I am embracing it, but like I say, the fear of the waking up one morning with wrinkles is not a good thing.
It can feel like a betrayal from our own bodies, stealing away our youthfulness and vitality. But after 5 years of tireless research, Dr. BRANDT had discovered a groundbreaking technology that can increase collagen at the source of cells regeneration.
I have lots of scars from skin cancer. And so yeah, absolutely anything I can do to benefit my skin, I'm 100% for.
The Rosa rugosa plant. This plant is renowned in Japan for its incredible hardiness and resiliency. And it turned out to be the perfect ingredients for creating exceptional skincare products to regenerate your skin.
You know, I would hope that it would come back under 40. I think that's what we all would want to expect, but you never know. Like I said, I didn't take care of my skin when I was younger, so.
Well, I would like it to be 25, but I'll be happy if it's 36. My protocol for the 28 days will be the Dr. BRANDT Dare to Age collection.
For the next 28 days, I am using the Dare to Age protocol by Dr. BRANDT.
I have seen that my fine lines and wrinkles have diminished, but I mean completely diminished.
The eye cream makes my eye lift, and I feel that I don't need more concealer. Completely changed the way my skin looks.
I love the Dr. BRANDT products. The serum is like an at-home facial, which is such a treat. I absolutely love it. My skin looks amazing in the last 28 days, and I will definitely be using this protocol.
I couldn't be happier with my skin right now. It's given me the hydration that I was missing. Yeah, I just feel like I have more fullness, my texture is clear. I feel like I've turned back the clock on my skin for sure.
When I prioritize my skin, I feel like I can take on anything. My actual age is 46, and the machine told me I was 36. I'm so happy because, you know, like I say, all my friends, they're saying, wow.
The numbers on the VCA machine is 30 years old, and my age is 39.
My skin age came back as 50, and my real age is 59. I want my skin age to reflect how I feel inside. I'm confident and I take care of my skin to defy expectations.
So my Vizia skin age was 33, couldn't be happier with that, and I am currently 40 years old. To me, skincare is more than just looking good. It's about feeling confident and empowered. When my skin looks great, I feel great.
After all, aging is a natural process, but doesn't mean we cannot age gracefully and feel confident in our own skin. And that's what Dr. BRANDT is all about. So welcome the new collection, Dare to Age.